All right, so I'm with Chef Doug back in the kitchen, and we're gonna throw down on some wagyu burgers. So show us how we're gonna cook this burger tonight.
Get a little kosher salt, black pepper, onto a flat top.
Good deal. So now, with this, what do we serve alongside of our wagyu beef burger?
So we take Yukon Golds, roast those off, bring them back to life in the duck fat, let it absorb all that goodness. Toss that with some sea salt, rosemary, lemon oil, and a little Roshina cheese. But
okay, now wait. So we're gonna take the fry. We're gonna cook that in duck fat.
yeah,
Man, that sounds pretty legit. I think I can handle that. So we've got a nice brioche bun. We're just getting a little bit of a toast on there.
yeah. What I do at this point, we've got some we call them balsamic onions.
So it's nice sweet onion, add a little bit of that bitter bite vinegar.
Probably one of the most amazing cheeses that I've ever tasted in my life. Some Rogue Creamery in Oregon. Help yourself. Get in on that.
Yeah, don't mind if I do.
I don't mind if you do either. So we're gonna take that. We're just gonna pop that right on the burger. Then, of course, some of our local jowl bacon.
I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but look at this thing. I get to eat that.
Blast a little lemon oil on the fries.
So let me ask a dumb question. What goes in your lemon oil?
Lemon juice, salt, pepper, grapeseed oil. Just fresh, clean.
Is what it is.
Yeah. That's a little fresh rosemary, Roshina cheese, which is kind of like in the Asiago family. Now time to plate the burger. They're ready to go. And that's it. There you have it. The Wag burger.
All right, Chef, so we're all done here. We got the nice Yukon Gold baked, duck fat fried, a little bit of lemon oil, some cheese, some fresh rosemary, all sorts of good stuff going on there. And then the could it be more local Wagyu beef burger.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna dig in, man. It's a tall burger. I'm guessing the best way is just to go at it, right?
Just, yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, Chef, that is tremendous burger. I'm sure I'm wearing more of it than I got in my stomach.
You're doing good.
I'm doing all right. That meat is so moist and juicy. It's tremendous. And then you get that bite of that blue cheese alongside of those sweet and tangy onions.
Yeah.
Man, that is legit right there. All right, so I'm gonna let them get back to work. I'm gonna get out of here, but let me tell you, you gotta come out and check out the Lakepoint restaurant in Bella Vista, Arkansas. It's well worth the drive. Grab the Wagyu beef burger. If that's not your speed, anything else on the menu is gonna be just as good. Blow your socks off, guaranteed. I'm gonna get back to eating. See y'all down the road.